Hello Blender enthusiasts! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today I have an exciting lineup of best new and rising Blender add-ons for a 3D artist like you, tools that are guaranteed to save you tons of precious time. Before we begin, let's talk about BlendKit. Yes, BlendKit, they have renamed BlenderKit to BlendKit to better protect Blender trademark name. And because of that, they are running 20% off sale. But if you use my link, you get 28% on Pro Plan. It is one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. BlendKit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 136,000 Blender assets, a collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. First on the add-ons list is Dovetail Key. So if you are someone who does 3D printing a lot, then Dovetail Key is a must-have add-on. Just draw a line across any model. It splits into printable parts joined by a strong, self-locking joints. In 2 clicks, no manual booleans, no crashing on heavy sculpts. You can adjust the size, height, and depth of the key live until the fit is exactly right for your print. Need to build jaw-dropping 3D landscapes without the endless grid grind? Meet Terrain Mixer Pro, the ultimate terrain add-on for Blender. It is an entirely new terrain building platform that takes inspiration from the ideas that made Terrain Mixer unique while pushing them much further. It represents a new generation of terrain creation tools for Blender, built for artists who need more control, more speed, and more possibilities than ever before. Whether you're a game dev, concept artist, or matte painter, this tool completely redefines your workflow. Section Pro lets you cut through any 3D model with section planes, generate high-precision technical drawings with cross-sections and projections, and export to DXF/SVG, perfect for architects, interior designers, and engineers who use Blender for ArchViz, BIM, and technical documentation. Bio form a fully procedural biological material library for artists who need biology that holds up under a close render. Materials that are fully procedural, resolution independent, and grounded in how tissue really looks. Nothing to unwrap, nothing to rebake, just controls you turn until it's right. Bioform is what I reach for now. I hope it saves you the fight of weeks of research. Forge is the best CAD modeling add-on ever created for Blender. Model hard surface shapes with mathematical accuracy with the ability to create complex designs. Forge doesn't just sit on top of Blender. There is a fully dedicated workspace. Just like Edit Mode, enter Forge Mode to access a unified CAD environment seamlessly embedded inside your 3D viewport. Let's talk about a few of its features. Instantly generate hollow or solid tubes along any sketched trajectory. Define precise engineering profiles and complex hard surface boundaries. Draw smooth continuous curves to guide your lofts and sweeps. Live cuts, unions, and intersections with a real-time ghost preview. Mathematically flawless surface blends and precise angled bevels that standard polygons simply cannot produce. Remove excess sketch lines or overlapping body geometry with pinpoint accuracy. Reflect sketches and solid bodies across any axis. Flawlessly import and export step, IGs, and BREP directly from your Blender viewport. When your CAD design is ready, instantly convert it into Blender Mesh. You don't even have to worry about topology because it makes nice and clean animation-ready mesh. Forge V1 is just the beginning. You can check the roadmap at the bottom of the page. Light Wrangler and Snapshot Bundle is here. If you don't already know about Light Wrangler, it allows you to add lights by pointing your cursor at the surface, and your light follows in real time. Sculpt your scene with real-world studio HDR textures, animated gobos, photometric IES profiles, and interactive flags, all controlled from shortcuts and a single slider without breaking your creative flow. Talking on gobos, there is the best gobos add-on called Gobos Master. It offers multi-layer mode for adding gobos, and over 198 gobos included. And Snapshot allows you to shoot snapshots of your scene as you work. Every save creates a visual record of your exact lighting, camera, material, and object states without overwriting anything. Compare variations side by side in a film strip, cycle A/B tests directly in the viewport, narrow down your favorites, and render the winning look. Now let's talk animation. Are your 3D character animations looking a little robotic? Slipping feet, floaty jumps, and hours lost staring at confusing graph editors? What if I told you real-world physics could do the heavy lifting for you? Enter Cascadeur. Keyframe animation is notoriously brutal for beginners, but this software completely flips the script. Instead of fighting splines and keyframes, Cascadeur uses a physics-first approach to make your characters move like they actually have weight. Here's why it's a massive game changer. First up, auto-posing. Instead of moving every single joint manually, just drag a hand or a foot. Cascadeur's Smart Rig instantly calculates the natural balance and center of mass for the entire body. Your character shifts their weight automatically, just like a real person would. But here is where it gets crazy. Auto-physics. Let's say you're animating a jump. Set your key poses, hit the auto-physics button, and the engine instantly calculates the correct real-world momentum, gravity, and trajectory. No more weightless floating characters. It literally snaps your animation into a physically accurate arc. You get AAA quality animation in minutes. No need to spend days manually animating in Blender. And the best part? If you want to change the direction or have your character jump, you can simply add an other keyframe or update the existing ones, and you will instantly get new animation, which if you want to do in Blender, you will have to scrap most of your animation, and hours you spend finishing it will be wasted. Cascadeur. It slides perfectly into your workflow. Just export your polished FBX and drop it straight into Blender 5.1 for your final render. Stop fighting physics and let Cascadeur do it for you. I mentioned a few handful features, but there are tons of tools you can use to create animation, and you are not limited to human characters. You can also rig and animate quadrupeds. That means animals, creatures, and non-human characters are becoming easier to pose and animate with more natural results. It's basically a cheat code. If you want to test it out to see if it's really something you want, you can start 14-day trial with coupon code BlenderBoy15 for 15% off. So why is Cascadeur a big deal? Because it gives artists more control, more speed, and more confidence. You can animate faster, you can clean up motion easier, and you can use powerful tools without losing your creative control. For solo developers, indie creators, game animators, and 3D artists, this is exactly the kind of software that can save days of work and make animation feel less intimidating. Now back to add-ons. Normal Magic 2.0 update. This release brings game-changing additions to both the core mesh modifiers and the Pro add-on, and best of all, it's a free update for existing customers. 5 new mesh modifiers open up advanced, non-destructive modeling workflows. Cut Groove. Perfect for adding clean panel lines using a V-shape or even thickness gap where meshes intersect. Solidify Pro. A powerful solidification tool offering advanced control over rim profiles with full custom normal support. Boolean Extrude lets you instantly cut and extrude mesh intersections for surface details, or invert the operation to extract panels from solid geometry. Boolean Trim enables seamless cutting using single-sided geometry cutters. Offset Surface opens the door to highly sophisticated reuses of your cutter geometry. Existing tools have received major upgrades. Boolean Pro now handles multi-object inputs and provides dedicated output attributes for intersection edges and slice faces, making tasks like further beveling or material changes effortless. Surface Insert gains mirrored and instance transform support, along with handy debug colors to preview projection and normal transfer masks. To clear up confusion, Surface Project has been officially renamed to Project to Surface to better distinguish it from the standard Surface Insert tool. The Pro version UI has been completely revamped. Quick access to all core operations, new modifiers, and customizable cutter object behaviors. Instance Objects panel. Ideal for repeating complex details, allowing you to instance objects while preserving all original source modifiers. Object Display panel. Toggle visibility settings instantly, like making cutters viewport only to hide them from final renders. Modifier References panel. A massive lifesaver for complex scenes that lets you filter, show, hide, or cleanly apply modifiers that reference other objects. Managing properties is smoother than ever thanks to a new modifier header bar, which lets you set custom modifier defaults directly inside the add-on. Node Deck is a fast visual node browser for Blender's Geometry Nodes editor. It provides a palette-based workflow for browsing, searching, favoriting, and placing nodes without digging through Blender's standard add menu. Designed for artists and technical users alike, Node Deck keeps commonly used nodes within immediate reach, helping speed up node creation and reduce interruptions while building geometry node systems. Multi-Sculpt. Seamlessly sculpt, paint, and weight multiple objects at once. So if you have a lot of objects you want to sculpt on, then this is something you should take a look at. And that's a wrap. If any of these add-ons caught your eye, you can find all the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.